We make one-of-a-kind websites like these right here in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We figured out a way to streamline the entire process so you can get a website for less than you're probably expecting to pay. In fact, probably a lot less. We charge just $99 per page to build the website and then $59 per month thereafter to both manage and co-maintain the website with you. If you've been quoted a few $1,000s for a website, you're probably wondering, how is that possible? What is the catch? Well, this is my mom. She owns a bridal shop. I know how to make websites, so naturally, I've been managing her website for her for years. I really wanted her to have a website that looked professional and that she could make changes to without having to wait for me every single time she wanted an edit. She needed a website that was unbreakable, a website she just never had to worry about. That's why I created Jottful. And when I built Jottful software, I made it with 2 logins. One login is for my mom. She can use it to go in and make the basic edits herself, change text, swap out images, and the other login is for me. I use it to help my mom out with bigger changes, like when she wants to add a new page to her website to market her annual bridal show. And that's our secret to creating websites quickly and affordably. Let me show you what it's like to edit a Jottful website.
When you're logged into a Jottful website, all you see is this bar across the top. Otherwise, it looks just like your website. No confusing toolbars, no menus, no software you have to learn how to use. But quite magically, you can just click and type to change the text. Want to replace an image? No problem. Just choose a new one. That's it. Once you make your changes, they're live on the internet.
Now you're probably wondering, is Jottful a good fit for my business? Well, if you have a lot of specific requirements around design, such as color palettes or typefaces, you probably do need to work with a design agency. But if what you want is a one-of-a-kind website you can send people to, but don't have to think about all the time, then we should talk. We'll listen to what your business needs. And if it seems like Jottful could be a good fit, we'll make you a free sample website. There's no charge, no obligation. In other words, we guarantee that you will love your website before you ever even sign up with us. Otherwise, we'll do our best to refer you to someone who might be a better fit. So click the button below to schedule a call with Natalie. She'll explore what it is you're looking for and what it is that you need in a website.